Dealing with doctor's appointments, insurance, and medical records is already a hassle, but patients of one service have an even trickier situation on their hands.
The company abruptly shut down, and investigator Hickey joins us now.
Right, and we found out that some patients are having difficulty accessing some of their own information. So far, despite several requests, one patient tells me she hasn't been able to get a hold of her medical records to send to her new doctors, and the response that we got from the company is only adding to the confusion.
It all starts with the CarePod.
The San Francisco-based Forward was valued at $1 billion in 2021.
You can scale healthcare to the whole planet.
And available in big cities across the country like Chicago, where patients we spoke to said they love it.
To get an appointment was easy. Easy in, easy out, no wait.
I, absolutely fell in love with my primary care physician. It was just wonderful.
That is, until they received this message out of the blue last week saying Forward would be closing all locations, canceling all visits, and immediately shutting down access to their app.
Now I have to look for another doctor, I guess.
Chicago patient Kathy Link,
And I read the email and my heart just dropped.
tells me her requests for medical records have been ignored.
It's been silence from them. I haven't heard anything back. The numbers are all disconnected.
One expert tells us they need to maintain the records for several years.
You need to provide them in a reasonable period of time.
Today, the company's founder responded to our questions about medical records by saying they will be providing instructions after December 13th, which seems to contradict the instructions currently posted on the company's website. Link says her future care is in limbo until then.
I could access my own information via the app, but now what has happened to it all? And how will that affect, not just myself, but any other members?
And Forward's founder said they're working through support requests as quickly as possible. A message on Forward's website acknowledges the immediate closure of locations and the news being abrupt. The state of Illinois tells us medical providers are supposed to provide 30 days notice and explain how the medical records can be obtained. Joe and Erica.
I know we'll stay on top of it. Thanks, Megan.
Definitely.